Hey, today we're making naan pesto pizza. Also, I just want to thank you, my friend Avnit, because she's the one who taught me this, and now I'm trying to share it all with you guys. As long as you prep your ingredients, you'll be done in about 20 minutes. I'm just going to say though, if you're eating it as a meal, you may want to consider having at least 2 of these. So first you have to grab your naan, put it into a oven-safe pan. You're going to grab your pesto, and spread it onto your naan as a base. Then, in an oiled small pan on medium heat, you're going to add your vegetables. So in here we have peppers, onions, garlic, and tomatoes. You can add whatever it is that you want. And you just want to cook it until it's brown. Alright, now you're going to grab your fresh mozzarella and chop them up. On your pesto naan base, you're going to add your vegetables that you just cooked. You're going to add your mozzarella. I'm going to say about a pinch or a teaspoon of everything. You're going to have to use your own prerogative. But as you can see, I sprinkled on some salt, sprinkled on some oregano, basil, thyme. And the last thing we're going to put on is red chili flakes. So it's not really that spicy for me, but maybe for some of you it's the right level of spice. It's good enough just for this quick pizza, in my opinion. Alright, you're going to put it into your microwave oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once you take it out, the cheese should be a beautiful golden brown. And if you want to, you can leave it in longer. It is so good. I would highly recommend it to you guys if you want to have this as your lunch or even as a snack. All right, take care everyone. Have a nice day.